Model, 1989 Talbot AutoQuest 270 ELDDIS Camper Motorhome MOT Failure Welding. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 60,718. Engine, 1,971 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, 3 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.